What's up? I'm not gonna do this. Today I got a chance, cause I got a package in the mail to play with the new Nintendo Swap. Hope you guys probably saw an ad. It's just Babu consoles right now. I don't know. But let's play with it. I'm gonna create some memes. So let's open it up. I have the package right here. I don't like doing a lot of promotion, but let's take a look at it. Oh my god. It's a bit bigger, in my opinion. I like this cool art of this little apple. I don't know, it looks pretty cool in my opinion. I don't know about you guys. I mean, I don't know. It's cracking. So, probably gonna send this back. See if we can find Joy-Con. Well, if you're at a Joy-Con, I think this is how they're supposed to go. I made a quick video on how to open those, so let's go check that out. You're gonna need a hammer, and it's totally wireless, my controller. So you're just gonna grab your hammer and beat it with it. Then you're gonna put it in the freezer. Then you're gonna take it out of the freezer, beat it with a hammer, and then you've got to separate it. And it's super easy to put them back. Look at this. I'm gonna be playing with Zelda 5. So the thing I did was I'm gonna test it out. I tested out the rent control. As you can see, I'm playing Breath of the Wild. It's on the 8, and it's pretty good. But let's test it out. Okay. Cool. Also, if you've already seen this, but I got to play with a Nintendo Switch Power Glove. Just slip it right in, and it's supposed to work. It takes a lot of calibration, but at the end of the day, it's just a wonderful experience to play Wii Sports. Although I think it should be called Swap Sports, in my opinion. A game I got with the console is Casablanca. You know? It was got an Oscar. I don't know if they gave Oscars to video games, but I actually got 3 of them. You know, we're living truly in the modern age. So a popular challenge that is going around is to lick one of these cartridges. Dumb, right? In the thumbnail, they all look like they're pretty disgusted. But you know, if Danny and Phil do it, why not me, you know? Tastes like regret.
Why doesn't it work anymore? Iconic.
Well, we broke it.
Yay. Back with the hammer, shall we?
My turn.
You're gonna kill us.
Well, we're trying to get it in half.
What is the other half?
Oh my god.
Yep. Progress. Don't hit me, please.
Oh my.
Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god, what did you break? Oh, again! I told you not to hit me.
It's almost...
I'm scared now.
I know I'm doing it upside down on purpose.
On purpose, on purpose. Oh my god. It's wet there.
Oh, I didn't even notice this.
What even is that?
It's really cold.
Oh, I didn't hope so. That little mouth.
Oh, we're getting there.
This equipment. Somebody probably worked really hard on making a machine to do this.
What Taiwanese kid made one?
Should I try to get this off first? Oh my god, I can't. We're gonna be here a while. Remember not even doing anything.
Turn off the camera because they don't look at it.
You got a knife.
How about we use the drill? The drill.